Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I really would like to show my support and resistance strategy. It's a very simple strategy though. Basically everybody knows already that I'm trading like the AG high and low, and everybody knows there's like the liquidity stuff. So what am I gonna do today? I just would like to retest, to show my simple strategy, just to backtest with you guys. So basically I'm gonna start with the 4 hour. I'm not gonna go too high, it just doesn't make sense. It's above the price action is above the 200 moving average, and you know, that's the problem, because the price action always comes back to this EMA and stuff like that. So I'm just doing like not all the price action. I'm seeing like that we're going up kind of, but on this case, what do we see? We see literally push, pullback, push, pullback, push, break of structure, push, pullback, push, pullback kind of, push, and it starts consolidating. Yeah. So basically, my bias is still down, obviously, for now. Yeah. So let's just move on, because I don't trade like Asia, so I'm leaving to the Asia to do his own stuff. So obviously if my bias is up, is down, so obviously I'm gonna look for the sells. My target is gonna be this one. So let's see what it does on the Asia. Remember guys, I'm trading the break and retest of the Asia high and low. Yeah, so I got basically two types of entries. First, we're gonna get above here, either we're gonna get on the break and retest of this, but on the break of retest we're not gonna take for the buys, guys. I'm gonna wait on London session like to break up, to grab all the like buy liquidity and all the stuff, then to come back here into the zone, retest, and then I'm gonna take the sell down here. So basically that's my plan. Either it's gonna come here, obviously we're gonna make some bounce to show people that is reversing, so people can just jump in, but then it's gonna be like that, and then it's gonna retest, and then I can just either add another position, but I don't really do that, and then just go down here. So I can take like two I can take two trades basically. That's why I said I'm gonna take either this one. If it stops me out, I'm gonna wait either to, obviously if it goes up here, it's gonna invalidate my my entry, but if it comes back and gives me one more retest, I'm gonna still take it down. If it fakes me up the second time, then I just gonna call it a day. So basically that's my plan for every single day. So let's see what's gonna be. I don't know what's gonna be, but let's just see for a second. Yeah, let's see for the, what's it called, for the Asia low and high to be created. Oops, let me just take this zone. So let's just see. Oh, so here is right now is Asia high being tested, Asia low being tested. Let me just grab like that. You see? It kind of provide me a retest, but what we can do, guys, is just, if that's the case, I can just take like that. Oops, no. I can just take, watch, this is a nice pin bar. I would say I'm gonna enter right here, put the, how is it called, the stop loss above this one, so we can be safe, and we're just gonna cover this one. Oops, almost hit, almost hit. Oh my days, we Gucci. Almost hit now our stop loss. But anyway, guys, let's just keep moving. So I just call it a day. One good trade, not too bad. Let's just keep moving. But it's been going very low. So I'm not gonna change my bias right now, yeah? We're still going down. So what are we gonna do here? Obviously a lot of people are gonna start buying here because they seeing Emmas and all this stuff, but I'm looking at this price action. I'm not looking like where we're going because I just scalped. So my bias is still going down. Let's just wait for the Asia to be created. Oops. So we're just gonna mark this high. That's just very simple break and retest strategy, guys. That's very simple. Oops. So it fakes out kind of. Okay. Let's just put one more. Oba. Alright then. Let's just keep moving like that. Let's just put above this high. So just to be safe. We're gonna target in those slows. He faked me out. Oh my days, guys. To be honest, I just would say I would enter this one, but I didn't, so whatever. It didn't work out for me, so I lost. Anyway, let's keep moving for the next day. I don't see any more trades for the day. So basically, I'm still with the bias to go to the downside. That's why I'm saying, guys, the break and retest strategy is not like how people think, yeah? What I like, for example, when all the Asia and the London, it just fakes up, comes back and retest and just moves down. Either it goes, breaks the Asia lows, retest and go down. I'm targeting first these lows and then we can just drive somewhere else. But we'll see what's gonna be. Oh my days. Okay. Just gonna do like that. I'm just gonna do like that. Okay. Mm. Yeah, it's very. It's too bullish. I would enter here though. Oh my days, man. He faked me out. Let me just see. Come on, boy. You see how he fakes me up all the time? All the time fakes me up. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Let me just go to the upside. So basically what we had by now, we had just, but then again, see that was the news. That was the news though. There's nothing what we can do about it. Oh my days. This, oh my days, man. My bias is still when it would be down, you know. Hold on. Let me just do this. My bias will still be down though. Let's see just if gives me like an entry or some stuff like that. Let's just see. Okay. Then I would wait this one to be retested. No, it doesn't. Nope. my bias is still down. Let's just keep moving. Okay. Literally, you see? That's already a good sign. If it goes right now down and retest, I'm gonna take it down. Oh my days, man. Those news is crazy. Look at this. Okay. Guys, to me that looks like we changing the trend right now. We going up. Yeah. You see? We broke this high. So what am I gonna do right now? I'm just gonna look for the buys. Oops. Let me just do this and that. Okay. Alright guys. So there we go. We're just gonna look for the buys. We got here a gap as well. A small gap, but whatever. Opa. Yeah, I would enter here though. Just move up like. Okay, that's good. Hit him. So this is 4 to 1. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's just keep moving. And that's how it goes, guys. Break and retest. Simple. Break and retest. Let's just keep moving. So obviously we're going up. Here is nothing to say. We just keep going up. That's serious. That's very serious. Let's just keep go up. Let's just see. So do you understand, guys, what I'm doing? I'm doing the break of retest of the. I just know from the 4-hour time frame. I know the bias, and I just give it to try to get the whoever bias is either buying, either selling. So that's what I'm doing. You see? I would really like this stuff to go down, break back, retest, and go all the way up. That would be great trade. Oh, you see? That's good, but kind of is not enough, guys. Let's just see. Yeah, now it's much better. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's more than enough. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Let's just move this one like that. Come on, boy, give me the trade. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. Let's just put it like that. Oh, that's good. That's good. And we're just gonna go all the way up. Come on, boys. Don't fake me out. Okay. Ooh. I wouldn't even stop if I would see this one. This bar, I wouldn't even stop. This bar, I wouldn't even stop. This bar, I wouldn't even stop. But I would but whatever what I would do. I said I'm gonna hit those highs, I hit it. So anyway, guys, I don't want to keep this video for too long. I just wanted to backtest a little bit. So let's just see what we got. We started from here, yeah. So what we got 241, Then we go -1 is 141, 0.4, 0.4, yeah, we got profit. 0. Then we got 4 point, let's say 4 R, and then we got 381. So we basically just got like 8, let's say 8%, 8% in a couple of trades. That's simple, guys. And if you notice, my stop losses are pretty big. It's not like small one, some sense of some 17, 20 to 1 or something like that. It's like just normal 4, 3, 2, maybe 1.5, wherever, guys, everything is profit by the end of the day. And if you take a good trade and your let's say win rate is pretty good, then you should be fine for the long term. I don't care if I'm losing some of the position, because I know sometimes when it's ranging, man, this is bad. But when it's ranging as well, this stuff, it works, because for example, if it goes back and forth, yeah, we know for a fact it's arranging from the 4 hour, yeah, we know it's arranging. Let's say it's like that on the 4 hour, yeah. So we know if on the day, on the daily ranges, on the day's high, we are here, let's say for example, yeah, then we just can expect some sort of kind of like downtrend on the days, like 2 days in a row, and we just can keep hitting like those highs, boom boom, and then it changes, the trend is changing. So that's kind of, it's simple. I really keep this stuff very simple. I tried like a lot of strategy, but I don't know, guys, to me this one works the best. I don't know how to say, but this one literally works the best for me. I don't know if it's gonna work for you, but for me it works very simple. You're just checking the let me just do this one, delete the replay. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let's just make a quick analysis what's gonna be for Monday, yeah. So basically, yeah, what I'm expecting here, push, pullback, push, kind of break of structure, pullback. I would say push, pullback, push. Man, you know, I would say it's an uptrend. Yeah, I would say it's an uptrend. But here is a little bit tricky, just because on the long term, yeah, we can see we're going down. We are under the 200 EMAs. So most likely I would keep it to the downside, because man, watch those candles to go down, and watch those candles on Friday. They're so small, they're so weak. So what I'm expecting for Monday is just to go down. We can expect on Monday something like that, either to go somewhere around here to test those highs, something like that. But what I'm expecting, my bias is still gonna be down. Let's just check the daily just to be more clarify. Yeah, we're definitely going down. You see, break, retest, and most likely we're just gonna go down all the way here. So what I'm gonna expect on Monday, some sort of like that. It's gonna be the Asia high, Asia low, and on the London session, what I would like to see in the good case scenario, to fake above, like a couple of candles, then to, for example, if that's the low, if that's the high of the Asia, I'm gonna expect to break, to keep it here a little bit, here maybe some sort of doing like that, to show people evidence that we're gonna jump up, and then to do that, and then boom boom, and all the way down, guys. I'm gonna expect all the way down. Oh my days, let me see, where is that target? All the way down. So we got potentially, yeah, if we're doing a great job, yeah. Oops. Oh my days, man. Let me just delete that. If it's gonna be like that, on Monday, yeah. Let's just take that. So does the low, does the Asia high, does the Asia low? What we can do, we can just, if it does something like that on Monday, we can just grab. Don't be shy, bro. Like, put this fucking stop loss like big enough. You got room to play on, and just move all the way down. You can do. Obviously, you can just be safe because I don't really like to swing that big, like as a daily time frame, yeah. But what we potentially have to grab 1 to 4.6, something like that. That's what I'm expecting. Yeah. But if you would like to do so, you can just do different. You don't need like that big. You can do like that. That's how I'm doing right here on those trades. You're just taking the retest. If it bounces up and breaks above, you just put above this high, something like that. If you wanna be safe, put it under this high, and just target this low, this low, this low. We got tons of lows, guys, to get up to this area. So that's gonna be our target. So you potentially can earn here some sort of, oh my days, guys, that's gonna be insane. But most likely this is, damn, this is smart money thing though. Yeah, that's like some ICT concept, some smart money concept. There's tons, guys, of strategy here because it can be one to whoever, one to big. Oh my days, man. Come on, boy. Oosh. Oosh. So you basically can do something like that and go above here. But to me, most likely what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna target this low. 168 for me is more than enough. Either we can just hold it for this one. But my bias is definitely to go down. If just in case, guys, if just in case this is the low, yeah. And let me just grab on my days. If it breaks this, I just push like it's going. But obviously, this trend, it doesn't go like just the line down. It's gonna here bounce, then wait for the break, retest, and you can take it here. If doesn't fakes out the Asia high, wait for the Asia low. Grab this, something like that, and move from the same. Move down because the bias is down. So if you're doing like that, you can potentially earn some pretty good pips though on my days. Oh, something like that. 1.6, you can do the same stuff. Yeah, guys. So if you like this video and you want me to post some more video like break on retest, how do I trade, then just leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, you know, all this stuff. So we'll keep it up. See you guys on the next video.